What is complete recovery? Complete recovery means that you can restore all transactions and that were committed before a failure occurs. To perform a complete recovery, all of the following conditions need to be true. Number one, your database is in archive log mode. Number two, you have a good baseline backup of your database. Number three, you have any required redo that has been generated since the backup. In this session, we will understand database complete recovery. I will show you all the different scenarios of database recovery. And we will simulate multiple scenarios. First scenario is loss of all data files, and the second scenario is loss of control file and data file. In the first scenario, we will delete all the data files and then we will recover the database using backup which we have taken. In the second scenario, we will take backup and delete all control file and data file. The scenario is that we have lost our one or all data files. In this situation, we can perform complete database level recovery with either current control file or backup control file. First, I will show you how to restore and recover our data file with current control file and then with backup control file. So let's get started. Now we are logging in our database SQL Plus as sysdba. Now we log in. So now I want to check the location of our data files. Select name from data files. Okay, this is the location of our data files. System data files. Okay. Now I want to shut down my database because I want to delete some data files. Shut down. Immediate. I want to delete some file, that's why I have to shut down this database. So database has been shut down. So now I'm deleting my data file. First of all, system file and undo file. So now I have deleted two of our data files. So now I'm trying to log in my database sysdba and startup. So our database is yes no mount mode. So our database yes in mount mode, but it could not be opened because some file is missing. So how can we restore and recover our database? So I want to show you this. Exit rman target. So now restore command, restore restore database. Rman restore database command will restore every data file in our database. You can see is restoring database file number 1, 2, 3, system file, sysox file, undo file, user file. Now we show recover database command. When we issue the recover database command, RM will automatically apply a redo to the data file that needs recovery. Oh, spelling mistake. Recover database. Recover. Starting media recovery. Media recovery is completed. Now our restore and recovery process is complete. Now we can open our database. Alter database. Open. So now our database is open. So in this way we restore and recover our data file, and now our database is open.